I've got something today that's going to blow your mind. This is so incredibly important. This is the difference between making money and losing money in the markets. And I'm going to share it with you here in, well, less than 10 minutes. All right. So we'll keep this one really quick and to the point. So right now we're looking at the S&P 500. And if you've been trading, and I've been hearing this from a lot of people, they're like, gosh, I'm not making any money. Of course you're not making any money. Why? Because we can only make money that the market gives us. In other words, the market's got to follow through to the upside or follow through to the downside. And if it doesn't, there's just no money to be made. So on the S&P, for example, we've just been going sideways here. And on the bottom, same thing, pretty much just sideways here. Okay. And so, yeah, just in a channel. So there's no big follow through to the upside, no big follow through to the downside. Now, this is the key. This is a famous quote in trading. There's always a raging bull market somewhere, and there's always a raging bear market somewhere. So just because the S&P 500 or alternatively the NASDAQ 100 or the IWM, Russell 2000, small caps, or the Dow, even if those markets are, which are the major equity markets, even if those indexes are not doing much, there are other markets, thousands of stocks, hundreds of ETFs, maybe thousands, I don't even know anymore, that are doing something different than the major equity indexes. So again, hunt them out. There's always a raging bull market somewhere. There's always a raging bear market somewhere. So you don't have to be focused on this. So let me show you what I mean. Let me show you some examples right now. Here's one that a lot of you will be already familiar with, gold. Now, the key to this is that you want to look for markets that are uncorrelated to the equity markets. That's how you will generally find these raging bull or bear markets when the major equity markets are just doing nothing. They're nothing burgers. So now we got a hard asset. We've got gold, hard commodity, and we've been talking about this for a long time. 1, 2, 3 big moves up. Consolidation, 4 or 5 big move up. And parabolic move. And so lots of money to be made here with gold. So the point is, and sometimes I get this question, so I'm answering this question right now. People ask me, Barry, what's the best market to trade? And they only want to trade one market. That, in my opinion, is a huge mistake. It's very limiting to your profits because any one market is always going to have times where it's just going through consolidation. So be flexible. Look at other markets. Look at uncorrelated markets. So let's look at a few more here. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So now this is an example of a raging bear market, right? I said raging bull, raging bear. Can make money both ways. I often prefer to actually short stocks because they tend to go down faster than they tend to go up. And that's based on emotional, human nature. Fear is a stronger emotion than greed. So we get our cycle high. This is a triangle pattern right here. And we get our cycle high right there inside the triangle. And boom, kablambo, goes down and tests this low, consolidates there just a little bit. And then boom, big parabolic move down, we're out. So fast money, notice. And when I'm talking about parabolic move, I'm talking about a sharp angle where it covers a wide range in price. Okay, looking at the x-axis in a short period of time. Or I'm sorry, that's the y-axis. In a short period of time, looking at the x-axis. So fast money, fast big money. That's what we want. We want these big parabolic moves. So we can make them, again, I've shown you now, raging bull market, raging bear market. We can make money both ways. So now we look at the illustrative group, and this is MO is the symbol. By the way, I can't see the symbol on there, but it's MO. I watch this stock all the time, because this is what they call a sin stock, a sin stock. So they market things like, well, most infamously for smoking and, cigarettes. I believe they're in the cannabis industry now. But anyway, the bottom line is they make money on things that, what's actually interesting is that they make money on both sides. So they're one of the largest producers of tobacco, cigarettes. And then they're also a large producer of medical products in the treatment of illnesses caused by tobacco. So they're playing both sides of the game. And anyway, now the point is, the reason that I watch this stock all the time is because people love sin. And people get addicted. It's an addiction stock. So and I know this sounds really bad, and it is bad, but it's just from a financial point of view. If you can get people addicted to your product, then you got a steady long-term business, and it will move differently than the S&P 500. So again, now we're not talking about like we looked at gold, right? That was a hard commodity, a metal. Now, MO, Altria Group, they are still part of the equity market, but they're a very different sector, a different industry. So that's another distinction. It doesn't have to be, and by the way, you can use this with commodities, Forex, and you can use ETF Forex. You don't have to use spot Forex. You use soft ags. You can use hard commodities. We already talked about that. You can use cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all these different, and then this 11 sectors in the equity market, and then all of the industries within those sectors. There's always going to be one of those that is hauling patootie, and that's what you want to find. Having that flexibility will keep you making money, or can keep you making money, when the S&P, the Dow, the Qs, IWM are doing nothing. They're in nothing burger. So as I was saying, we can look at ETFs for currencies as well. So the symbol for this is FXE. It's the Euro Currency Trust. And you don't have to trade the spot or the futures currency. But it's going to give you different opportunities because it's not necessarily correlated to the S&P 500. And again, that's the whole key. We're looking for things that are uncorrelated to the S&P 500. Here's another one. So again, it's a sector, a unique sector, global clean energy. I always watch this one too because it's a big political issue and it has a lot of emotional weight behind it. People want to really push this. The politicians want to push it. Well, certain politicians want to push it anyway. So anyway, I'm always watching this ETF as well. The symbol on this is PBD. So again, as you can see, big trend up. Okay, had a little retracement down, consolidated a little bit, now newer highs and newer highs again. So again, uncorrelated market that has a niche to it that resonates with the masses. And so they want to invest in it. Okay, and finally we'll look at this one. This symbol is EWX. And as you can see here, this is the State Street S&P Emerging Markets Small Cap ETF. So emerging markets, the concept behind that is that they're small and therefore they have a lot more room to grow than a large cap does. And so the concept is there's more room for growth because, their size is smaller. So again, we got, boom, nice 11-wave trend here. Then we consolidated, but then up again, another new high. Totally different, not consolidating like the S&P. Now, you might have noticed this indicator down here. This indicator is my timing indicator, my market timing indicator. And there's a particular way to read this. It's not intuitive, but I'm going to give it to you as one of my subscribers, or actually, even if you're not a subscriber, but I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. But just because you're watching the video. Now, this times your entry. It's my market timing indicator. It's actually, I call it the Top Dog Trading Cycle Indicator. And again, you look at it, it looks kind of noisy, right? So the key is there are certain patterns that form on it, just like price bars have patterns. Well, this indicator has certain patterns that are tradable and other patterns that are not tradable. So I'm going to give you the indicator for free. Just go to the website that's right there on the screen right now. And not only will I give you the indicator, but I will also give you a tutorial on how to trade it, exactly how to trade it. So you can start using it right away, make some money, no charge. It's my gift to you, my gift to the trading community. and my way of thanking you for watching my videos. And yeah, then send me, I would appreciate it. I'll send you my email along with it. And then if you want to, you can send me an email and tell me how much money you're making, which I would love. So yeah, that's it. Just go there, get the indicator, get the tutorial. It's all free. It's a recorded webinar, by the way. It's a webinar I did live, but now I've recorded it so that you don't have to be there at any particular day or time, because we've got people from all over the world. So you can just go and watch it at a convenient time for yourself.